Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment and the camera itself. Power on the device, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network, and make sure the battery reads at least 80% or is plugged in. This prevents mid-session shutdowns. Once done, insert and format an SD card to avoid file errors, and grant the app necessary permissions for storage and location. These first steps clear common roadblocks, so you can jump straight into framing and configuration without interruptions. Next, configure the camera's shooting modes and compose the shot. Choose auto for quick captures or manual to set ISO, shutter, and aperture. Pick motion tracking if subjects move. Make sure resolution and frame rate match your goal: 4K at 30 for detail, 1080p at 60 for smooth motion, and turn on stabilization and HDR when needed. Once your framing and focus are locked, test a short clip to confirm exposure and tracking behavior before recording the full sequence. Record your main footage in planned segments and review each take for audio clarity, exposure consistency, and reliable tracking. Make sure to offload files via Wi-Fi or USB after every session and maintain at least one backup copy to prevent data loss. If recording problems appear, lag, dropped frames, or tracking failure, reboot the camera, reformat the SD card and camera, check for and install firmware updates, and then reconfigure network settings. These steps usually resolve the most persistent issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.